This is how you're going to generate a QR code in Google Sheets using a formula. You don't need any add-ons for this one, just use one simple formula and a bit of creativity. Let's say you have a list of URLs in column A. In column B, type this formula right here. Now, once you have typed this formula, what's happening here is Google's chart API is generating a QR code image based on whatever in cell A2 or A1. The CHS part sets the size of the QR code, which is 150 by 150, and CH1 is the data you want encoded. Now, you can copy this formula down to apply it to multiple rows as long as each row in column A has something like a link or text. You will get a QR code image in column B. It should be an image. If you want a QR code, you change the size value to something like 300 by 300. Make sure to turn on the show images in cells option in Google Sheet settings. If the image doesn't appear just like this one, you will not be able to see the image because I don't have it turned on. But even if you have it turned on and it still doesn't work, just go to extensions and then click on QR code generator. You will have to install this app and then hit on open. Now, in order to generate your QR code, what you're going to do is to just hit on any cell that you want to create a QR code for. Just click on that and then you can save it as document, as draw border, save as PNG, or use second column. Now I'm going to save it as PNG and then hit on generate. All you have to do is to wait until it finished generating. And that's how you generate QR codes in Google Sheets using a formula. It's fast, free, and fully automatic.